Erwin, thanks very much for joining us at Expo Real. Just give us an update on Chainels in terms of the company, but also it'd be interesting to pick up on what you're seeing at the moment in terms of the market as well.
Yeah, so Expo was great. So we are a tenant app, and what we see is that there is a lot going on in mixed-use destinations, residential, and just different asset types amongst one real estate investor. So there were really interesting talks, especially with head of IT, ESG. They're really booming topics.
Obviously, you're tracking the data there in the retail side. What are you beginning to see in terms of the data?
Yeah, I think in general what we see is that it moves more towards mixed-use destinations. So besides only the retail tenants, you also see that there are apartment buildings on top of retail destinations, and that it more creates a community, and that they also want to support local spending and kind of being a vertical city and more sustainable. I think completely in line with the ESG goals and the companies facing.
And are you seeing an increased focus in the retail sector on ESG and those social goals?
Yeah, definitely, and of course everything is reopened again for most countries, so that's a good thing. So we also see that the budgets are sort of unfrozen again, and that they can start putting money into innovation and digitalisation, because I think it was a really rough time still, but it's getting back to normal, I would say.
Yeah, it's really interesting. I think that focus on innovation, digitisation and the real estate markets, and I think that's going to be a driving feature going forward. Thanks very much for joining us, Erwin.
Thank you.